Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to set Roman numeral page number in Google Docs. So get it started. At first open your Google Docs document. In this video I will show set Roman numeral page number. Now going to the insertion option. Then click for a header and folder option. Then click for header option. Now you can see, then show the header section. Now going to the insert bin option, then click for a special starter option. Now click for select for number and select for others option. Now select from Roman number in first, then click close. Then again going to the insert bin option, then click for break option, then click for section break continuous. Now again select from a double click in the show header. Now going to the again insert one option, then click for a special starter option. Now click for Roman number 2. That is. Now you can see add set Roman numeral page number in Google Docs is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.